Have you ever wondered how crypto arbitrage traders make profits without any investment except for the gas fee? Welcome to the fascinating world of crypto arbitrage trading, a strategy that revolves around the basic idea of buying low and selling high, but with a twist. Instead of a single market, this approach takes advantage of price differences across multiple cryptocurrency exchanges. Imagine this: buying Bitcoin for a lower price on one exchange, then selling it for a higher price on another. Sounds simple, right? But as with any form of trading, it's not without its complexities. That's where Python, a popular programming language, comes into play. With its simplicity and efficiency, Python can automate these transactions, making it possible to seize profitable opportunities the moment they arise. Now that we've introduced the concept, let's delve into why Python is a game changer in crypto arbitrage trading. So, why Python? What makes it such a powerful tool for crypto arbitrage trading? Let's delve into this. Python is a versatile programming language, known for its simplicity and readability. This makes it an excellent choice for beginners and experienced traders alike. With Python, you can write clean, efficient code that's easy to understand and modify, allowing you to quickly adapt to the ever-changing crypto market. Another advantage of Python lies in its broad range of libraries. Libraries such as Pandas for data manipulation, NumPy for numerical computations, and Matplotlib for data visualization, just to name a few, are all at your disposal. These tools greatly simplify data analysis and algorithmic operations, which are crucial in identifying profitable arbitrage opportunities. Now you might be wondering, does Python really work in real-world crypto arbitrage trading? To answer that, let's look at a case study. A group of traders used Python to develop an algorithm for identifying arbitrage opportunities across various crypto exchanges. With Python's efficient libraries, they were able to analyze market data in real time and execute trades automatically, leading to significant profits. And there you have it. Python's simplicity, versatility, and extensive libraries make it an ideal tool for crypto arbitrage trading. It's not just about making the trading process easier, it's about maximizing profitability. As you can see, Python's features not only simplify the trading process, but also increase profitability. You might be thinking, sounds great, but how do I get started with Python for crypto arbitrage trading? Well, let me tell you, Python is one of the most accessible programming languages out there. There are a plethora of resources available to help you become a Python pro in no time. You can start with online courses. Websites like Coursera and Udemy offer comprehensive Python courses tailored towards beginners. These courses cover everything from basic syntax to complex data structures, and yes, they delve into its application in crypto arbitrage trading too. Then there are books. Automate the Boring Stuff with Python and Python Crash Course are excellent for beginners. They're easy to understand, practical, and they'll give you a solid foundation. And don't forget about the vibrant Python community. Forums like Stack Overflow and Reddit are full of experienced Python programmers ready to help you with any query you might have. With so many resources at your fingertips, learning Python for crypto arbitrage trading has never been easier. The world of crypto arbitrage trading is waiting, and Python is your key to unlocking its potential. Imagine the profitability, accessibility, efficiency, and adaptability you can achieve. Every line of code written is a step closer to your financial freedom. With Python, you're not just a player in the game, you're a game changer. Embrace the power of Python and see your trading strategies evolve. Don't wait for the opportunity to come to you. Seize it. Start learning Python for crypto arbitrage trading today and open the door to new possibilities.